Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Lucretia Vicente,
How old are you?
35 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
2,
How old are they?
14 and 15 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
5 years and 5 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
3 years and 2 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
My brother.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
3,000 kilometers.
How many family member there?
3.
How many children?
No.
Okay, so adults all,
Yes.
right? Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 7:30 and tidy up the living room, and then after that prepare the breakfast, and then 9:15 to 9:30 walk out the dog.
Okay, how about marketing? Do you go market? Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
7.
7 o'clock. What time they eat?
7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
It depends.
Okay, thank you so much.